Yeah.
Me used to use Fudgie and mash up stage show.
Before you actually recorded it.
Huh?
Before you recorded it.
Before me record it, man.
Yeah.
It was the song when me I use and I mash up every stage show. Zane, anyway, me and Richie Stephens and Degree them, because you know me they are Main Street now, so me a par with the big artists them. So them they have a show down a country down a, me don't know if you remember one club as you come off at the ending of Spur Tree, the club did up on your right hand side. It was whole heap of show you used to keep in there. Something another HQ, it didn't name.
Okay. Yeah.
Zane, anyway, my brother. Remember going to the club with Richie them and Degree them, and them go make me open. And me done in there. Me DJ Fudgie around 6-7 times. See? Now, when me go to Banson and done DJ and come off and Degree them and Richie them and everybody, the whole of the girl them, everybody want to know who the little marga brown you out here was so bad. You get me? Because so boom the next Monday now, when we go to the studio, you know, me feel so good within myself, cause Richie them as my general and Degree them as my general, them dead and see how me a tear down place. So when me in the studio now, when Danny played the rhythm and say, and this is the rhythm for the young artists them. And me I say, man say, yeah, if you don't work on this, you know, back to basic, regular schedule. So Richie turned and say, the song where you DJ Saturday night. DJ on this. Danny didn't know Fudgie already. They tell me, say, I got bill already for Fudgie, you know. So it's when Richie said that to me. He said to Richie, no, man. Danny, I got bill already in feet. Richie. Man say, yo, it I got bad panda rhythm here. And the man now go so Bamson. The man, me nah take no talk. Because I said that to me and me I black it out and me I black it out. Me don't want to hear that because Danny say I have a rhythm me make for me song.
Yeah.
Anyway, me hear Danny, the way Richie persistent, me hear Danny say, go on with it now, make me hear it sound. Yeah, me I said, Danny, but you know, say I got be lyric. Man say, yeah, man, if it not fit pan this, me still a be lyric in feet, man. Say, all right. So yeah, me, you know. Here comes Fudgie, girl from I try my best to not make it. That me I try my best to not make it fit.
Yeah. But okay. But at this time here, were you still Sample Kid or you had changed your name to Goofy?
Sample Kid, my name.
You were still Sample Kid. Okay,
Sample
continue.
Kid. You what? Me don't know if you have a sound system thing good from them time there. But me Goofy laugh did boss out the pan dubplate.
Yes.
You get what me say? When we used to say, go we or roll.
Because okay, listen, I'll tell you how. At that time, there was a lot of people doing intros. So basically, you'd be like an intro type of artist. You wouldn't really have a song. Max Wayne and all of these guys here.
No, man. Me they have song, but here what? Me they have the Goofy laugh for the sound man them. They love and then here we go up now. One time, Bass Odyssey. Give me a second. Me a plug in the charger here. One time, Bass Odyssey come for cut Bounty Killer. But oh, me laugh, I kill sound and I go and wicked in I dance them.
Yes.
The man them say, yo, how much you charge for put on your laugh, your intro, pan the Bounty Killer dub here. Me not even remember how much me take from them. But we do it, and brother, when the play do on this and the intro doing a man, it a shoot down sound like joking or so. Me have a name but a Sample Kid, but everybody there call me Goofy because of the laugh, but me never want the name.
Got you.
Me never want the name, so me I work with Sample Kid. Zane? So when me go so boom now, and voice pan the rhythm for Danny. With the thing, cause them as everybody are saying I see yo, it bad pan it. So me I say, you know what? Me I go voice it. So me go so boom and shot it pan it. But at the time, Me never used to use no fudge on. In it, me used to just perk with my mouth.
Got you.
Zane, so when me done voice it now, me I listen to it and me I say, something missing out of that song if I make it special. So I find myself downtown down at one place named Usas Lee. And by the Fudge, yes, when me come uptown back, and go to put it and go so, and then me go so, and here comes muscle. Let me tell you something. When me done voice it, when me done put on the on my brother, me know say me boss before the song come out, you know. So the
Okay.
sound and everything sound, you know. So hear this now, my brother. Me, Rat, Madam Joe, archive upon the rhythm. So me know, and me know say my boss song, you know. So me said to Danny, I said, Danny, how you place that rhythm here? Who go first, who go second, who go third, who go fourth?
Yeah.
Here, Danny. Well, Madam Joe first, Rat second, archive third. So we must say there last. Hey, me turn to Danny from them time there. I said, Danny, let me tell you something. Nobody can lead me on that rhythm here. Nobody here. Calm down, G. Me the producer and Ray. I said, Danny, nobody can lead me on that rhythm here. See, anyway, the song that never mix off, you know. Me just go so boom and go to Danny, nephew, Richard Brownie. I say, yo, give me a rough balance of my song on the iBias cassette, you know. So him give me. Me take a bus and go down a Arrows. I remember me had the dubplate and so my family could change. You see me? Go so boom, take my bus, go Arrows. Boom, cut a dubplate with me song alone on the dubplate. And you know the dubplate them can hold 6 or 4 songs depending on the length of time where I cut it with. Brother, when me cut my thing, I was a boom and jump on a bus from town to Spanish Town. Jump from a taxi from Spanish Town to Ocho Rios. And go link Big A. Because Big A, they are playing me already.
Yes.
Big A, they are playing me because Little Lenny. Me did do a song for Little Lenny named Big Mix Up. And to how Big A, they are played hard. Me did make it a point of duty as a little youth who never know him personally to take a bus and a taxi, reach down at Ochi, introduce myself to myself, Father, respect and manners on the strength. I know you don't know me from nowhere, but the love where you show me on the radio, me they have to make it a point of duty. And guess what? Me and Big A, closest friends from them time till now. Because the respect never drop. Anyway, look on this now. When me goes a boom, and put me dubplate and reach down at IRFM, I make Big A hear it. Big A say, G, anywhere you want buy, look at any piece of lot, or any house, any car, this is it. What me say? Man said, this is it. Also, and the man tell me that, you know. One piece of excitement in my system now, mal. Because so boom, I reach back at Spanish Town. Boom, jump in a taxi. I say, yo, that I put the radio on IRFM now, please. Yeah, come back in a taxi now. Them don't know say me an artist. Big A used to play Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Them time there. You get what me I say? So when him goes up bumps now and jump on, it was a Friday, you know. I mean, I taxi, I go out on this and the man put on Fudgie. Me see the whole line I taxi get wicked. And so me said, me I hold it in a car. I said, Jesus Christ. Them not even know say me.
Yeah.
Me want shout, me want jump, me want do everything. And I feel hold it. Anyway, me and the man pull up the song around 30 times. Open up the phone line and say, Jamaica, one thing about a song here. Yeah. Brother, the whole Jamaica calling, you know. Remember when Irie just come out, Irie act like fire.
What? Right across the place.
He get to me and say, so, my brother, when the man open the phone line, the whole Jamaica calling, then the man get back as the man a play, so them a call, play, so them a call. The man basically use it for the whole 4 hours in the radio.
Okay, but you see, this is the question here. How did you end up settling on the name Goofy? Because remember, Fudgie came out under Goofy.
No, look on this. And if you have a copy of the record, look on this. On the record, it mark sample. Because Danny said we should have taken off the kid. And in a one tiny bracket, so you see Goofy. So sample, they're big, and one like a small bracket, Goofy. And guess what? When the record take off, everybody just said Goofy, Goofy, Goofy.
Got you.
You get what me I say?
Yeah. The name basically gave yourself that name there. The name said, okay, you know what? This is your name. The people have said, this is your name right here.
Simple as that. Simple as that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.